Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about standard form. This is kind of going to be a 2-day thing. So today is going to be standard form. Tomorrow you're going to work on graphing. So I'm going to talk to you more about what standard form really is. So standard form is kind of a formula, and it looks similar to this. AX plus BY equals C. A, B, and C. So A, B, and C are all whole numbers. Okay, so they have to be whole numbers. Now, A has to be positive. So we cannot have a negative number be A. And B and C, those can be negative numbers, but they have to be whole numbers. So what this will look like today is you'll see on your assignment something like this. Y equals 4x, I'll put negative 4x minus 10. And we have to determine, can we put that into standard form? So what we need to do is see, can I get A, B, and C to be whole numbers and A to be positive? So we got to make it look like this. And to do this, what you're going to do is you need to get X and Y on the same side. So what I'm going to do here is I want to get this X to the other side. So to do that, I'm going to do the opposite like we've been doing in chapter 3. I'm going to add 4x to both sides. Now, if you notice over here, there's no x to add it to. So I'm just going to put a plus 4x on the bottom. When I do this, these cancel out. And over here now, I have a positive 4x. This is a 1y, so I have a positive 1y. And over here, all I have left is negative 10. So now that we have x and y on the same side, we have to look, are A, B, and C whole numbers, meaning the numbers in front of X, the numbers in front of Y, and the number at the end. So this number, and this number, are those three whole numbers, meaning they are not fractions or decimals? Yes. So then I look at the next part. So that one is what we look at first. This is what we're going to look at second. Is A positive? This number right here, is this a positive number? Yes, that is positive. So my answer would be 4x plus 1y equals negative 10. Yes, I can put that in standard form. That is standard form. So I would answer yes. There it is. Okay, let's try one that it won't work out. Let's try like 2x plus 3x. And I'm just going to change that right away. Let's go with 2y equals 3xy minus 10. Now, if you look here, I got to subtract this 3xy from both sides. And I can't combine it with this because this is not an xy. So this is gone, and now we have negative 3xy plus a positive 2y equals negative 10. Now, if I look at this, we have an x and a y together, and there's no way I can get those away from each other. So right away, when I see x, y being together, there is no way I can put that in standard form. So I would say, no, I cannot put that in standard form. Let's try another one. Let's go with like 3y equals negative 2x plus 7. So I'm going to start by getting this x to the other side. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. These are going to cancel out. Now I can't combine these because they're not the same letter. So I have a positive 2x, a positive 3y, and a 7. So first thing we got to look at are A, B, and C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Are those three numbers whole numbers? Yes. Is A a positive number? Yes. We're done. We can put that in. So we would put yes, we can. Okay. Let's see what it would look like if we had a negative A. So if I did, let's say they give us the equation negative 2x plus 3y equals 4. Now, A, B, and C, those are all whole numbers, but A is not positive. To sort of fix that, we got to multiply this whole thing by negative 1. When I do this, I'm going to distribute a negative 1 to everything. So this would become a positive 2x, a negative 3y, and a negative 4. Now, are A, B, and C still whole numbers? Yes. Is A positive? Yes. So can I put this into standard form? Yes. Now there's some other ones, like if you see an equation that says just x equals a number or y equals a number, you can put those into standard form. So right away, that is a yes if you see something like that, just x equals or y equals, because technically that would be like 1x plus 0y or 0x plus 1y equals something right here. So that is why you can put that into standard form. But the biggest thing we need to check for is making sure A, B, and C are all whole numbers, and A is positive. Okay, so I'm going to do two more. One where A is going to be negative, and one where we're going to get a fraction. I'm kind of going to go over how to do that. So we're going to have, let's say, 7y equals 4x minus 10. I don't know why I keep picking minus 10, but I just do. So we're going to subtract 4x from both sides. These are going to cancel. Remember, I can't combine these because they're not the same letter. So negative 4x plus 7y. It's plus because 7 is positive. If 7 was negative, this would be a minus. Equals negative 10. And now I want that first number to be positive, so I'll multiply the whole thing by negative 1. That gives me 4x minus 7y equals 10. So our A, B, and C whole numbers? Yes. Is A a positive number? Yes. Now one with a fraction. So if you run into any fractions today where you have like, let's just say 3y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So negative 1/2 x. So we're going to add 1/2 x to both sides like we've been doing. I cannot combine those because they're not the same letter. Now, I got to get rid of this fraction because A, B, and C are not all whole numbers. So to do this, you're going to multiply the whole thing by the number on the bottom. So see how it's a 2? I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 2. And when I do that, I get 1x plus 6y equals negative 4. So now A, B, and C are all whole numbers, and A is now positive. Okay. Hopefully that's making sense, guys. Hopefully understanding. Thanks for watching the video.